Hey guys! So today we are going to be making chicken fiesta dip. And what you're going to need to do to get started is you're going to take some chicken and you're going to chop it up into small pieces and cook it. Now the recipe does call for 1.5 pounds of chopped cooked chicken. I'm using about 6 ounces. I actually don't want too much chicken in my dip. So the next step, you're going to use 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm using the store brand, and I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to soften it up. 4 ounces is half of 1 package of cream cheese. You're going to add to that 1 packet of taco seasoning mix. You're going to add that into your cream cheese. Now you can also add 1 cup of light sour cream if you prefer. It'll make it a little more creamy, but in my household, we're not big fans of sour cream. So we're just going to mix this taco seasoning in with our cream cheese. I just added a little water. Since I didn't actually use the sour cream, I'm going to add a little bit of water to this to help mix it all together. Okay, once that's mixed very well, you're going to add your chicken to it. Smells delicious. You can see it's just kind of a big mess. Okay, now you're going to need some shredded cheese. I'm using a Fiesta blend, which has Monterey Jack and cheddar in it, but you can use just regular cheddar cheese if you like, or your favorite Mexican cheese will work. And I'm going to need a 1/2 cup of this cheese. All right, so we're going to mix that in. All right, now you're also going to need some green onions. For this recipe, it calls for 4 green onions, and I bought this at my local Walmart. You can get it in any grocery store. I like lots of onions, so we're going to put a little bit more than it calls for. You're just going to chop this into little pieces. Make sure you watch your fingers. I'm going to chop this up a little bit more. Alright, now you're going to mix this in with your chicken and cheese mixture. Now, if you don't like green onions, you can use regular onion. You can use a white onion or a purple onion would taste great. I think green onions taste phenomenal with chicken. Anytime I make a chicken dish, whether it be fajitas or just some fried chicken, I love green onions with it. So mix that well. Alright, now you're going to need a pie dish, but I don't actually have a pie dish, so I'm just going to use one of my 8x8 pans. It does call for a 9-inch pie plate. It really doesn't matter, just something that is safe to go into the oven. Now while I'm doing this, I have my oven preheating at 375. And just even this out in the pan. Smells delicious. You can eat this just like this if you prefer, but it's going to be phenomenal once it comes out of that oven. Okay, now once you do that, you're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes until it is heated through. Alright guys, so our dip has just come out of the oven and we're going to top it. What you'll need is another half a cup of shredded cheese. And you're going to sprinkle this over the top. Looks delicious. Now, you can obviously add more if you would like. You will need 1 tiny can of olives that are already cut. This is a 2.25 ounce. And I did drain these. Alright. And you're also going to need to chop up 1 small tomato. Instead, I used half a can of petite diced tomatoes, and this is a 14.5 ounce, so I used half of this. And you're going to put that over the top of your dip. Now that looks delicious. And there you have it. There is your chicken fiesta dip. Enjoy this with your favorite tortilla chips or crackers. And this is our finished product. It looks delicious. Enjoy, guys.